It makes sense to plan for an incident and, as a minimum, identify a reputable incident response company that you could call in the event of an incident. Why would you choose 3B Data Security? Well, we've been investigating cybersecurity incidents, including payment card breaches, since 2007. Our incident response team has a wealth of experience that comes from having conducted many incident investigations, as well as from their wide experience gained in a variety of roles. These include things like systems administration, software development, and law enforcement digital forensics. The team are also able to call on the expertise of our other teams. For example, calling in assistance from our pen testers and security consultants to help with an incident investigation. Our staff have a range of certifications, including CREST Incident Response accreditations, Core PCI Forensic Investigator, and QSA or Qualified Security Assessors. In summary, a good mindset to have is not if, but when, and be prepared for an incident. Start planning for it, and we can help you with that. But essentially, as part of your planning, be sure to identify a reputable incident response company so that, at the very least, you know who to call. Because believe me, when ransomware is spreading through your network, it is not the ideal time to go shopping for an incident response specialist.